Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little tutorial doing a little box for tissues. These tissues they sell basically everywhere, and I think they are a pretty standard size. Let's see, oh, it does say the measurements 8.125 by 8.125. I don't know if they're all that size, but in general they all kind of look like this, you know, so I figured why not make like a cute little box for these, and you can always reuse the box for something else or just use the box for something else in general. So the first thing you're gonna need is a 6 5/8 by 9 1/8 piece of rectangle. So you can use an 8 1/2 by 11 sheet. You don't need a 12 by 12. I'm just using some papers from a makeup thing that I have, paper pad. So you're gonna cut your piece with your design, you know, facing the right way, 6 5/8. And to cut that, and then this is all like scrap paper. And then on your long side, you are going to cut that to 9 1/8. And again, that's just scrap paper. Okay, so now you have your little paper like this. On the short side, I'm going to go ahead and line that back up. And then you are going to score at 7/8 of an inch, 3 1/8 of an inch, 4 inches, and 6 1/4 of an inch. So those are all your score lines you can see right here. Now you're going to turn it on the long side, and you're going to go ahead and score at 7/8 of an inch again, and 5 5/8, 5 5/8, and one last time at 6 1/2. Okay, so now you're done with all of the scoring. Okay, so on your paper, you're going to want to hold it like this, upright again. You're going to have a tiny little rectangle in the corner right here, and you're just going to cut that out straight off the paper. Like so. And then you're going to see 3 more score lines, the bottom half. All right here. The very bottom, I don't know how hard it is. You're just gonna cut that in a slit. That's it. You're not cutting it off, not doing anything like that. Just cutting up. Okay. Then you are going to rotate your paper counterclockwise, like so. And you're gonna cut a majority of this. You're gonna cut a perfect square out right here. So you're gonna cut second score line to the right, and then you're gonna cut right there as well. The second score line up. So you're gonna cut this square out. Like so. Then you are going to cut this other panel off. So you're basically just leaving a lid. That's what this is going to be, is the lid. So you're going to rotate it again counterclockwise, and you are going to cut, following this same line, you're just going to cut this very last little giant rectangle off, like so. Okay, so now you're going to go ahead and crease on all of those score lines, and then kind of just flatten it all back down. Folding panel that you're going to glue, you could use double-sided tape, glue, whatever you want. I'm going to use hot glue, and I'm literally just going to glue it. You could do it all while it's laying flat. It doesn't have to be assembled, so I do like that more flat with my foam folder. Get my hot glue, literally just line it up. Again, you can use double-sided tape if you like. I feel like these projects and tutorials, it's a lot faster for me to just use hot glue. So now you kind of have a box. You're going to flip it around. This is the lid, this is the bottom. You're just going to fold in the 2 short pieces. You can put a little bit of glue on these pieces right here, and then do it again. Rose is on the bottom. I'm just going to push down on it. And then your other part, just literally, it's a lid that flaps over, and I'm just going to use a little piece of Velcro. You know what? I'm gonna punch the edge of that. Like so. And you have like a fancy little lid. I am going to use some Dollar Tree little Velcro pieces. Stick it in right there. Okay, how cute is this? It's just a cute little box that fits the tissue perfectly. It has some room on the top, like maybe if you want to add something else in there, something tiny, a skill. But yeah, cute little fun box. If you want, you could always cut this piece off right here, cut half of it off, and you could add an eyelet and do like a policy envelope, you know, punch it with a hole, but right here is too deep to go with a hole, so you would definitely have to cut this piece off to do your eyelets. Yeah, quick little tissue box holder. And there's your tissues. All right, I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.